So on the control panel you can see here it's flashing 2 times. So this error is regarding the paper tray. As you can see, the paper is loaded in the paper tray, but it's not properly loaded, or maybe there is no paper left in the paper tray. So install the paper. Now go to the control panel, switch off your printer. Now switch on your printer. So you will see that orange light is not flashing anymore. Now give the print command and the orange light will not flash anymore, and it will also start to print. So we will just wait for that. So here we can see the printer has started to print. So this way we can fix this error. Thanks for watching.